for some more fun training drills? All right, today we're going to be exploring how to not just walk across the line, but to glide or slide walk. Let's see what this looks like on the ground. Arms out, and again, we're not just taking steps and walking. Instead, we're going to place the weight onto one foot, bring the opposing foot up, slide or glide it forward, transfer the weight to the front leg, step up. Take the other leg, place it softly on the line, glide or slide forward, transfer the weight, come back up. Glide or slide, transfer, come up. All right, now we're going to try this on the line where it's a little more unstable. I'm going to start this practice in slacker stance. If you're unfamiliar with what that is, check out the SLACKROBATS tutorials. So from here, all the weight's in the standing leg. I'm going to take a step with the other foot, glide or slide it forward, transferring the weight to the front leg as I step up with the other. Taking a step, keeping the weight in the back as I glide or slide it forward, transfer the weight, step up. Step, glide, slide, transfer, step. This can also be done in reverse. So instead of bringing the foot to the front, take it to the back, keep the weight in the front foot, glide, slide, transfer the weight, take a step back, take the other foot behind you, glide, slide, take a step, transfer the weight, and you're standing here. I find it very helpful to breathe deeply, to calm the body and the mind. And I have a very strong focus point, or a drishti, something that's not moving in front of me. So, moving forward once more, the weight in the standing leg, place the foot softly, glide, transfer the weight, glide, transfer the weight, glide, transfer the weight. All right, have fun with this one. It's a great training drill, helps you stay calm, and it's really good for getting across the line a lot quicker than the small steps. So take care. Till next time, SLACKROBATS. Keep training.